With the HYGHTS configurator, you can design guardrail solutions faster and more precisely at no cost, saving you time before the first tool is even lifted. Precisely measure roof surfaces on existing buildings and quickly configure the right system for any roof layout. Thanks to pre-assembled posts and a clever installation system, you'll need hardly any tools on the roof, saving you time where it matters. Fixed or adjustable posts stabilizes in a range of lengths. The system adapts effortlessly to any roof layout. Posts can be quickly adjusted within a range from -5 degrees outwards up to +30 degrees inwards. Our ballast elements weighing just 12.5 kilograms can be handled ergonomically and stacked safely and easily thanks to the plug-in system. With up to 200 millimeters of height adjustment, you always achieve a compliant guardrail height of 1.0 to 1.1 meters. Pre-assembled post modules and a practical clip mechanism make installing guardrails and midrails quick and straightforward. Linear and angle connectors enable smooth adjustment from 90 to 180 degrees, fast, precise, and flexible. HYGHTS guardrail systems. Maximum safety with minimal installation time.